Good morning, class. I have written two questions here of chapter number 6, exercise 6.1, as we have already discussed about the lines, angles, line segments. So here two questions I have written, and the diagram is also given in the books. You can also check and see the questions in your NCERT. This one is given in the question. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. So it means if they will provide you any one of them, we can easily calculate the second one. Second, they have given angle BOD. This angle they have given 40 degree. First of all, as angle BOD is equals to angle AOC. Why these two angles are? Clearly these are equal. Clearly angle BOD is equals to angle AOC as they are vertically opposite angle. We have discussed about vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angles. जब भी कोई सीजर बनती है ना बेटा, सीजर, it means the angles are equal. Like this is a scissor, angles are equal. Here we can't say these two angles are equal because straight line should be there. When two lines intersect each other, then four angles will form and the opposite pair will be equal. So that's why if this angle is 40, this angle is also 40. And we know that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. What is the value of angle AOC? Angle AOC is 40. अभी calculate किया. BOE we don't know. But their sum is not 70. Sorry, I have written wrongly. It is 70 given in the. So we can write here given equals to 70. So angle BOE can be calculated 70 degree minus 40 degree and the answer will be 30 degree. So this is the answer of their first part, angle BOE. Now their question is find reflex of angle. REF means reflex. Reflex of angle COE. So first of all COE देखिए कहाँ पर है, ये है एंगल आपका COE. तो हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द COE, we for reflex of COE we first calculate angle COE. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equals to 180 degree, and the reason is angle on straight line. Angle on straight line. The sum of these two angles is 70, or you can also put their separate values. 70 plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree. So angle COE is equals to 180 minus 70. It is 110 degree. It is 110 degree. This is about the angle COE. How will you calculate reflex of angle COE? By subtracting COE from 180 degree. So 180 minus 110 and the answer is 70 degree. So this is about the reflection angle. Whenever you want to calculate the reflection of any angle, first you should calculate that angle, then subtract the same angle from 180 degree. If your question is like find the reflex of angle A, so first calculate A, then reflection कैसे आएगा angle A का, 180 minus A. Clear? So this is about the reflection angle and about the straight line angles. Now the question number 2 is angle POY is given, it is 90 degree. They have given ratio of two angles. Whenever they will provide you the ratio of the angles, you always write the first line as let. Let A is equals to 2x and B is equals to 3x. Because students, they have not given the values of A and B. They have the values of A is equals to 2x and B is equals to 3x. Now, as XY is a straight line. XY is a straight line. So, we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle POY is equals to 180 degree. What is the value of A? 2x. What about B? 3x. What is the value of POY? It is 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now 2x plus 3x is 5x. 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90, we all know that it will be 90 degree. Now calculate the value of x. 90 upon 5. And we can easily calculate the value of x is equals to 18 degree. But our motive is to calculate the value of angle C. And how will we calculate angle of C? See students, if x is 18 degree, then A is equals to 2 into 18 degree is equals to 36 degree. B is equals to 3 into 18 degree is equals to 54 degree. Now how will you calculate C? C is equals to A plus C as angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. Reason is linear pair. What is the value? B. It is B. B plus angle C. It is 180 degree. ये सेमी सर्कल बनाता है स्ट्रेट एंगल पे, तो इसको लीनियर पेयर बोलते हैं. सो लीनियर पेयर मीन्स सम इज 180. The value of B is 54 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equals to 180 minus 54 degree and it will be 126 degree. So our answer is 126 degree. Fine students. So that's all for today's class. We will discuss more question in the next class. Thank you students.